How to create an account on Indeed. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to create an account on Indeed. So first of all, open any web browser on your device and then click on the search bar at top of the screen. Type in uk.indeed.com. Now press enter on the keyboard. Then you will reach on the official interface of Indeed, where you will see the sign in button at top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in button located at top right corner of the screen. First of all, reject all the cookies present here, and then here to create an account or sign in, simply you can continue with Google, continue with Apple ID, or you can simply enter your email address and then click on the continue button. After entering your email or continue with Google or Apple ID, you will reach on the section where you have to select or you would prefer not to receive marketing emails. You can simply click the relevant option or you can simply check mark this box. Do not send marketing emails from Indeed. Once done, you will need to be ready for the next step. Simply you can choose as a job seeker or employer, and once you do that, you'll have to require to enter the basic information. If you don't want to add, you can click on the skip at top right corner and skip this page as well. Here you need to answer the given questions, and after following the on-screen prompts, you can easily create an account on Indeed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If hit the like button and subscribe for more tips videos. Thank you for watching.